Here's a short one. Simplify the expression. Start with parentheses, 3x squared plus x, minus, okay, parentheses again, 2x squared plus x, minus, then again parentheses, x cubed minus x plus 2. The point, we want to be careful when we do our bookkeeping, when we have a subtraction and many sets of parentheses. The rules to pay attention to, when we have many parentheses, a good idea is to work from the innermost parentheses to the outside. So we see if we could simplify, remove the parentheses, simplify again, and so on and so on. We'll also have, if we have a minus sign in front of a sum in parentheses, so minus quantity a plus b, we distribute. So that becomes minus a plus minus b. Now, we go through term by term. For the first set of parentheses, okay, there's nothing to do. There's nothing in front. We're on this side of the minus sign. So we can just drop those. Then we note we have parentheses inside of parentheses. So I use rule 1. Start at the inside and work our way out. Now, x cubed minus x plus 2, there's nothing to simplify there. So if I want to remove the parentheses, I need to distribute this minus sign. Using rule 2, we negate each term inside the parentheses, so we change the sign. So I have a minus x cubed plus x minus 2. Now, I see if we could simplify what's in here, 2x squared is by itself. This x goes with this x. We have a minus x cubed, and we have a minus 2. A good idea is to put our terms in descending order according to exponent. So that'll give me a minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x minus 2. Now, to get rid of these parentheses, I have to distribute this minus sign. So we change the sign on each term on the inside, and then I can drop the parentheses. So that'll go to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. We check if we can simplify again. 3x squared goes with minus 2x squared. X goes with minus 2x. X cubed is by itself. Then we note, okay, I have to go all the way over to get this 2, which is also by itself. We put everything in descending order according to exponent, and we get x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 2. And that's our answer. Now, we always have options. So one thing we could have done, but we need to be careful about this, I could treat this innermost parentheses here as a block, meaning I want to get rid of all the other parentheses and deal with that one last, which is sort of the opposite of what we're doing with number 1. Now, what do I mean by this? If I just want to distribute this minus sign, okay, I treat this as a block that we're not going to do any distribution with. Okay, think of it as being in a box. So I'd have minus 2x squared minus x, then we have minus a minus, turning that into a plus. So there's a box around here, meaning it just becomes plus whatever was in there. So that looks like this, okay? I take away the parentheses that were here. This picks up a minus, this picks up a minus. When this picks up a minus out in front, it becomes a plus. Now, because I have a plus here, I can pretend the parentheses aren't there, and then I just collect terms. So I have 3x squared minus 2x squared. I have x, and minus x. Then I have the x cubed and the 2. When we put things in descending order, get the same answer that we had doing it the other way.